G'day and welcome back. Here I've done a modification on the basic Slayer exciter, and what I've got is two transistors, two 2N22 A's, and as you can see the emitter is connected to the base of the second one. They're both connected to the primary coil, but only this second one here is connected to earth, and there's a picture of it here if you want to have a look at it. So there you can see all the wiring, nice and pretty basic, and we've got our power on 6 volts. So 6 volts at 90 milliamps, so not too bad, and they stay quite cool, actually really cool. The upside is I seem to get a little bit better induction. It's a whiter light. The downside is it consumes more current. All right, and there we go. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we've got quite a bit still on. Now it's just off there. Here is our 100 volt neon. As you can see, quite good range there with that extra current going through the coil. And here's a unmodified neon that also, as you can see, it's a lot brighter, but tends to go out more quickly. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to show you, is that circuit. The second thing I want to show you is this. Now this is a laser module. It's a laser. There's a laser diode in there, and I put my little germanium diodes. FYI, the diodes are run from the negative and then into the positive. I'll try and get it with one hand. Okay, there is it now. There you go. Oop, don't look at it. So that's there we go. Just goes into the camera there, so you can see, and you can see the red still going actually, but they might not be picking it up so well. So isn't that incredible? Now here's the thing, we know that we can use Tesla coils in conjunction with electronic components to generate radio waves via the spark gap or other means, and we can get 3-4 meters out of it with the Tesla coil. That's pretty good, but my theory is, and I think it's pretty sound, this is the visible light spectrum, and we can also use the same system to basically send energy via the light spectrum, and in particular via our laser light, which has a frequency of 400 trillion hertz. That's trillion. That's just so way out there, and look, it's so stable. We will be able to demonstrate just that, the energy riding on the back of the light waves there. It's got to be possible. Anyway, I'd love to know your comments or thoughts. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you later. Okay, so there we got our bad boy. You can see it's being induced. It's not connected to anything. I've just got it taped down on the back there. So let me turn the light off and see if we can pick it up from a distance. Okay, so that's about 1 meter away. And there we go. I'm right at the other end of the shed again. That's definitely 3 meters. And that is still only being just induced by itself. So I'm tipping I could stand over the other end of the paddock and that would still pick that up. So just interested to know what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.